What is graphic design? It's everything you see that involves lines, shapes, forms, textures, and balance. Let's break it down. Lines can be thin, thick, curvy, anything that separates elements and adds meaning. For example, the New York Times website. It uses lines to guide your eyes through the content, making the UI easy to navigate and keeping things extremely simple. We've got two types of shapes: geometric and organic shapes. Now, what are geometric shapes? Squares, circles, triangles, polygons, hexagons. They are the ones you've known since school, right? Organic shapes like leaves, clouds, mountains, that come from nature and bring more fluid, natural vibe. So they are called organic shapes. Now let's talk about forms. Form is just a shape with depth, shadow, and lighting. Give a flat circle some shadow, light, and depth, and bam, you've got a sphere. Same goes with the triangle. Look at this menu card. The way shadows, lines, and shapes work together makes this design more interactive and fun. Without those elements, it would feel flat and dull, right? Same goes with this poster. Now, let's talk about balance. Balance is about making things feel even. It's affected by color, size, the number of elements, and how you use negative space. Nail the balance and your design will feel harmonious and just right. Just like this web design. Textures can make or break a design. Used right, they add depth. Overdo it, and it's a mess. Like this design, where too much texture ruined the overall look. Now let's talk about the rule of thirds. It divides your design into 9 equal parts, helping you create a balanced composition. For example, check out this picture. By placing the subject off center, it emphasizes both on the model and the background, making the image more dynamic, right? Most designs follow this rule because it naturally guides the viewer's eyes. But sometimes breaking it can be just effective. Experimenting at the end of the day is key. Also, these are the websites that will come in handy in your career as a graphic designer or UI UX designer, be it for icons or images. They are all royalty free. Stay tuned and we'll dive into how layout and composition pulls all these elements together for awesome designs.